an exotic thing called malayo. क्या कहते हैं इसको भैया?
Malayo.
मक्खन मलाई.
मक्खन मलाई. I've never had this in my life. खिलाइए.
It's really good.
है ना अच्छा?
बहुत बढ़िया.
लोग जल रहे हैं कि मैं खा रहा हूँ.
बरेली की बर्फी क्या है?
बरेली की बर्फी.
I don't know, some kind of बर्फी जो बरेली में मिलती हो. I don't know.
बरेली की बर्फी एक मिठाई है. बरेली की बर्फी जो खाएगा वही बताएगा कि बरेली की बर्फी क्या है.
मैंने खाई नहीं है. आपने खाई है? तुमने खाई है?
बरेली की बर्फी एक अफवाह है.
A lot of surprises.
थोड़ी चटपटी है, थोड़ी मीठी है.
बरेली का सुरमा होता है, बरेली का झुमका होता है, बरेली की बर्फी नहीं होती है.
होगी कोई आइटम करो. बरेली की बर्फी.
बरेली की बर्फी. हाँ. हम जानते नहीं.
I completely loved Bitti's character. She's a little churrat. She's a little bindas, bratty. वो छुप छुप के सिगरेट पीती है. कभी कभी अल्कोहल ले लेती है. वो ब्रेक डांस करती है. वो थोड़े मॉडर्न ख्याल की है. तो शी इज दिल की साफ जिसे हम कहते हैं. लेकिन कभी कभी लोग मुंहफट भी कहते हैं. हाँ तो खुशी होगी. She works at electricity department.
पूरी शहर की गई है, थोड़ी देर में आ जाएगी और सुविधा के लिए खेद है.
बाजू वाले के घर में तो लाइट आ रही है, हमारे घर में क्यों नहीं आ रही?
अंकल जी उनके यहाँ इन्वर्टर लगा, आप भी लगा लीजिए. हाँ.
Very nice.
My brief to her was only one thing, that just be yourself and just be as you are at home. How you stay, how you live, how you eat. So little things. She hardly made her hair. I told her that if you have to go out and you just have to put a ponytail, how would you do it? And she told me like this. I said that's exactly what you need to do in the film also.
ओ बेटा ये तो तुम ही हो. बरेली की बर्फी बिट्टी. उसका मेन प्रॉब्लम ये है कि उसकी शादी कहीं पे पक्की नहीं हो रही है. ये उसका प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, उसकी मम्मी का प्रॉब्लम है.
अरे कोई तो कमी होगी लड़की में.
क्या वर्जिन है?
नहीं है. She doesn't want to just get married to anybody. She wants that one person who loves her the way she is, while she's reading, and that book, that author is talking about a girl who's exactly like her, but he's talking in a very good manner, in a very positive manner. So she feels कि यार कोई तो है जिसे लगता है कि मैं जैसी भी हूँ अच्छी हूँ, and that's how the chase starts, and then the story unfolds. I'm not going to tell you much more about this.
तुम्हारा नाम क्या बेटा?
चिराग दुबे. My character's name is Chirag Dubey, and he's in Bareilly, owner of a printing press. He's a smart aleck. He's a bully of a sort. He bullies his friend Preetam Vidrohi, played by Rajkumar Rao. This is the first time I'm playing a bully in the film, so that's why I found him really intriguing, because it was very different for me, because I've only played sweet, simple characters over the years.
He's not a simple guy. He's a manipulative. He thinks a lot, and has a little bit of aura which is like slightly dominating. And Ayushmann is not a person like that.
करना जिम जाता है ना.
बस करो ना यार.
Sometimes when he just raise his voice a bit, or ऐसे जाके गुस्सा करता था, तो उसको बुरा लगता था, because he's not like that. मुझे बहुत बुरा लग रहा है. मैं तो ज़्यादा गुस्सा नहीं किया था.
अरे इतना प्यार से नहीं बोलेगा तू इसको.
He's the most real character in the film, because he's probably a bully with his friend Preetam, but he's shy in front of Kriti, Bitti Mishra, and he's different with her parents.
Biggest advantage of Ayushmann playing as Chirag is that he's a very versatile actor. So you ask him to do anything and he will get into that character very easily.
ये तो कट ही जाएगा.
ये कहाँ मिलेंगे?
ये कहाँ मिलेंगे?
I just totally fell in love with the character Pritam Vidrohi. First of all, I thought the name itself is so funny, Pritam Vidrohi. When the first look came out, people actually thought, I'm playing this double role in the film. But no, it's the same guy, Pritam Vidrohi. And for me, actually, I took them as two different characters. So I named the meek guy as Pritam and the loud guy as Vidrohi, so that it's easy to relate. So today I'm playing Vidrohi and not Pritam. As much as I loved playing Pritam, who's the real guy, who's the real self. That's how he's in life. He's shit scared of everything. He doesn't talk much. It's very internal for him. But Vidrohi, on the other hand, he is somebody who won't think twice before doing anything. I think that was the fun of exploring Vidrohi. I just let it go. I didn't really plan. I didn't really think how I'm gonna do or portray a scene. I was just having fun with Vidrohi.
Rajkumar comes with a lot of experience in terms of seeing life, so he could imbibe into those kind of people very quickly.
That's what you look for as an actor, you look for two different contrasts or shades that you look for in a character, and it was just right there in the script itself.
Welcome to UP.
I totally love shooting in real location. As an actor, I think it helps a lot. It adds a lot to your performance because you don't have to believe and make believe that you are in a particular location. It's already there. You just have to react to that location.
We are doing the marriage sequence today, and the most funny part is that we bumped into somebody's marriage and they're doing this scene because we did not get a location.
We are waiting for train, like the train will halt here for like 5 minutes, and in that 5 minutes we have to take this bouquet take.
I'm very, very happy. And we got a lot of surprises. Like we